first I hire agencies at Appline because I need one, and also we serve agencies. So I have this thing where I try to be the worst client ever. That's my new motto when I work with them. I want more, faster, better, cheaper, yesterday. But every client wants that. They're always freaking out. That's the only reason they hire an agency. If they could handle it, they would have done it internally. But they can't. So I'm curious. I ask this question to everyone. From your client's point of view, what are they freaking out about? And what do they say, just take care of it for me? What are you taking care of it for them? From their point of view, how would they describe that?
It depends. I mean, in some cases, it could be a lot of times they ask for things. The reason I brought up accounting is because we got that question all the time. And let's go down that path. Why were all of our clients, this was circa 4 years ago, all of our clients were asking for accounting, bookkeeping, CPA type work. I think that's the best position to be in as an agency owner, no matter what you do. Because here's what that proved to us. They like what we're doing so good for X, Y, and Z, design, brand, and marketing, that they're saying, can you also take care of this headache for us? I'm going to answer your question by saying, get in that position where they're coming to you for your personal recommendation. Yes, they want you to do it because they love what you do, X, Y, and Z, but they're asking for your recommendation or your relationship connection to someone that is going to be at your caliber. So I'm going to say, as an agency owner, get to that point.
Do you know why it happens? I learned this actually when I was consulting, and I thought I was selling partnership, strategy, and execution, analytics, whatever, but it wasn't that. I was their therapist, basically. And so clients, they cannot talk to staff, they cannot talk to their business partners, and they cannot talk to the investors. You're the only person who is theirs. And in the beginning, they're cagey because they don't trust any agency. But if you get to a trusted point, you're the only one they can tell their anxieties about. And I started telling this to people during the getting to know you, before sales things. Listen, it doesn't matter what I deliver for you at all. You are clearly, your business, you just feel out of control. And the only thing that matters is by the end of this engagement, your business is back under control and you feel calm. That's success. Failure is if I increase your anxiety in any way. And that was 100% true, 100% of the time. This is where I got into trouble, solving problems I shouldn't have been.
As long as you can have your own boundaries on, hey, I actually don't know X, Y, or Z, but I can find out for you, or I can ask some of my amazing video partners and see what they think. As long as you can be disciplined enough to do that, you're fine. But you can't get into trouble if you say, yeah, sure, we'll figure it out. No, don't. Because then what happens is you start to hurt the trust that you've gained. And you don't want to do that. That's not fair to them. It's not fair